In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send receipt on Jobber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm a client's payment and deliver a professional receipt straight from your Jobber account. Start on the Jobber website and head to your dashboard. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your main navigation and recent activity. Using a desktop browser makes this process a bit clearer, but it works well on most screens. Before you continue, it's helpful to have the client's name and the payment details in mind so you can move quickly. Next, open the Client section. This is your full list of customers and the quickest way to find the person who needs a receipt. If you have a long list, use the search bar to type part of the client's name or company. Make sure you pick the correct profile, especially if there are clients with similar names. A quick glance at their address or other identifying details will help you avoid sending a receipt to the wrong place. Once you're in the client's profile, look for their payment history. This area compiles all completed transactions associated with that client. Receipts are tied to specific payments, so this is where you'll choose the exact transaction you want to acknowledge. Take a moment to confirm the date, the amount, and the payment method match what the client expects. If you recently recorded a payment, you may need to refresh the page for it to appear here. When you've identified the correct payment, select the option to send a receipt. Jobber will open a message window with the client's contact information and a preview of what will be sent. Double-check the recipient's email address and make sure the subject and message are clear and professional. If there's a notes field, keep it brief and relevant, such as a polite thank you or a reference to the work completed. Before sending, confirm that the payment details displayed on the receipt are correct, things like the service date, total amount, and any taxes or tips. Go ahead and send the receipt. You should see a confirmation in Jobber indicating that it was delivered. The action is typically recorded on the client's timeline, so you have a clear audit trail. If the client doesn't see the message right away, suggest they check their spam or promotions folder and verify that their email on file is accurate. If needed, you can return to the same payment and resend. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can promptly provide proof of payment and keep your records organized in Jobber.